Hello everybody, how are you? Wish you are all doing very well. Today inshallah we will continue our lesson about the structure of the universe. So far we have learned about what, guys? We have learned about what makes up the universe, and we discussed about the solar system, the planets, and the earth as the most important planet in our solar system. Today inshallah we will talk more about the stars and galaxies in our universe. So let us start with the stars. A star is a large celestial body that is composed of gas and emits light. So like the sun, actually most stars are composed almost entirely of hydrogen and helium gases, and a small percentage actually of other elements are also found in stars, but mainly most stars are composed of hydrogen and helium. So guys, today inshallah we'll not talk with more details about star, since our second lesson in this unit will be about the stars. So inshallah tomorrow we will discuss about stars with more details, but for today we may move and talk about the galaxies in our universe. So what do we mean by a galaxy? A galaxy is a large collection of stars, gas and dust held together by gravity. Our solar system is located in a galaxy called the Milky Way. The Milky Way, as we can see here in this image. So guys, usually we classify the galaxies according to their sizes into two main groups: small galaxies and giant galaxies. Small galaxies actually called dwarf galaxies, and they are small and they contain maybe a few billion stars, while the giant galaxies, which are the bigger galaxies, may contain hundreds of billions of stars. So this is this classification, as we said, is depend on the sizes of the galaxies. But if we want to classify the galaxies according to their shape, usually we classify them into three major groups: spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies, and irregular galaxies. So spiral galaxies are shaped like pinwheels. They have a central ball from which two or more spiral arms extend, as we can see here, guys, in this photo. Okay, when we can see here the arms that is extending from the central balls of this galaxy. What about the second group, or the second shape of the galaxy, is called elliptical galaxies. They look like spheres or ovals and do not have spiral arms, as we can see here. So it has an oval shape and there is no arms extending from these galaxies. What about the last shape of the galaxies, which is the irregular galaxies? Irregular galaxies appear as blotchy, irregularly shaped blobs, and they are very active areas of star formation. So here we can see the shape of the irregular galaxy, and we can compare even their colors. You can see that irregular galaxies have like a red color, blue or purple color for elliptical galaxy, and the white mixed with gold for the spiral galaxy. So as we can see here, our galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy, in which our solar system is located, belongs to which group, guys? Belongs to the first group, which is the spiral galaxy. Okay, as we can see here, several arms are extending from the core of this galaxy. So how are distances in the universe measured? Distance between most objects in the universe are so large that astronomers do not use kilometers to measure distance. Instead, guys, astronomers measure distance using the speed of light, and this unit of measure is known as what? Is known as light year. So a light year is the distance that light travels through space in 1 year. So again, a light year is the distance that light travels through space in 1 year. So now guys, let us see what is the structure of the universe. The universe can be defined as space and all the matter and energy in it. Throughout the universe, there are areas where galaxies are densely concentrated. These areas are called clusters and superclusters. So what is the difference between clusters and superclusters? Guys, clusters contain as many as several thousand galaxies, while superclusters can be made up of 10 or more clusters of galaxies. There are also areas throughout the universe where very little matter exists. These are huge spherical areas called voids. And actually it takes light hundreds of millions of years to cross the largest voids. So guys, now let us try to answer some questions from the lesson review. Questions from 1 to 3. We need to fill in the blank with the term that best completes the following sentence. So let us start with the first question. A large collection of stars, gas and dust that is held together by gravity. We have just discussed about this today. So what is the answer for question number 1? Yes, it's a galaxy. So as usual, we try to write the answers right here. So for question number 1, the answer will be galaxy. Okay. So a galaxy is what? Is a large collection of stars, gas and dust that is held together by gravity, and we say that we have giant galaxies that are big and we have small galaxies, or what we call the dwarf galaxy. We have different shape of galaxies. We have the spiral galaxy, we have the elliptical galaxy, and we have also the irregular galaxy. And we said what? We said that our solar system is located in a galaxy called the Milky Way galaxy, and the Milky Way galaxy has which shape, guys? Yes, exactly. It has the spiral shape. Okay. So now, guys, let us move to question number 2. Space and all matter and energy in it is called what? It's called, yes, the universe. The universe. Okay. Okay. And universe. What about, guys, question number 3? Alright. Question number 3. And consists of a star and all of the bodies in orbit around it. So there's something that is consists of what? Of a star and all of the bodies in orbit around it. What do you think? Yes, solar system. Here the answer will be a solar system, and we discussed about the solar system yesterday. Okay. Alright. So this is for the vocabulary part. Now let us try to answer this question, guys. In the following table, write the name of the correct structure next to the definition. So for question number 4, and what is a large celestial body that is composed of gas and emits light? So the body that is composed of gas and emits light is called what, guys? Yes, exactly. It's called star. Star. What about question number 5? What is a spherical body that orbits the sun? You remember, guys? Yes, exactly. Planet. Planet is what is a spherical body that orbits the sun. And we have 8 planets in our solar system, as we said. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. Thank you, and see you inshallah tomorrow with a new lesson.